Almost went to the wrong screen there for a second. Used to clicking on gaming. Game. So today what we're going to be working on. Hey, Abshik. I wasn't expecting you over here, man. Over here with the first time chat and everything. Audio and lips. No one's ever pointed that out before, so I don't really know how to fix it. Let me look into that. How to fix it. Let me look into that. How to fix it. Let me look into that. How to fix it. Let me look into that. How to fix it. Let me look into it. I always see over in phase. I always see over in phase. I always see over in phase. See, I'm checking my stream, and let me check this other line. Do you work in the IT sector? 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 Yeah, I'm watching my stream manager and my stream on the side. And I don't know, man. For some reason, like, when I look at my stream, for example, here, I'll show you. Let me go ahead and switch over to my desktop since this is where I'm going to be going anyways. But when I watch my own stream, it's, or at least on my system, it's, or at least on my watch my own stream, it looks like it's all, or at least on my watch my own stream, it looks like it's all, or at least on my watch my own stream, it looks like it's all, or at least on my watch my own stream. I need to mute that now because it's all echoing in my headset. Used to be tester in a small gaming studio, now a programmer there. Oh, hot shit, man. What languages? Is it like Java, PHP? Is it like iOS or anything? JavaScript, C Sharp, C+? Unity only works using C Sharp. That's interesting. I never knew that. Let me throw this back over here. So I started doing some coding streams. I don't know if you've ever seen my coding streams before, and it's kind of customized C Sharp, not even pure C Sharp. Ooh! That has to be difficult. I don't know C Sharp or any of the other C languages, but I'm more familiar with like Java and PHP. My last job that I got laid off from back in August, they introduced me to PHP and SQL through Postgres. I know a little bit about those two. Get Bash up over here. All this stuff. I'm gonna be working on my personal website some more. So here's what I'm currently working on. I'm just updating. If this is your first day in here, before I get into this, since the stream is only about 5 minutes into it, about 21 hours ago, Gorilla Muppet, thank you for the follow, and Smoky Fever for 24 hours ago, thank you for the follow. I just wanted to get that out there before I forgot. But currently, this is what I'm working on as my digital resume part. I learned JavaScript in SIG time, but it's okay. Whew. I feel you. I was trained. I went to a coding boot camp in 2018. It was a 14-week long course, and it was for full stack and we basically like they went over the basic stuff like HTML and HTML5, CSS3, and then we've also went over some like we were doing Java 8, Spring Boot, JUnit 4, and what else did we use? We used Hibernate, JPA. We learned JavaScript for like a day, but we didn't really go too far into it. And we also did Timeleaf as the XML portion for Java. I feel like I'm missing some, but they went over a whole slew of languages to teach us. God, it's a lot harder in my room than I thought. I'm gonna take off my hoodie real quick. 1 second. All right. Whew. Coding stream to strip stream. But yeah, built this out yesterday, and now I'm just gonna go through and tweak it some so I can get like this centered, and start filling some things out. And then once I get everything filled out, I'll start with my full screen, and I'll edit everything to fit better with my full screen because I'm on a 27-inch 4K monitor. Well, I have two of them. I like have all my like Discord and all my Twitch stuff over on this monitor over here. Then that's my main one with like notifications and shit. And then this is my other monitor. So this is why you do everything else on for the stream. So I don't get like no email notifications or anything like that. I meant to get on. I meant to start the stream about a couple hours ago, but I got lost inside of LinkedIn and Indeed applying for new coding jobs. And I was like, oh no, I am completely late for my stream. But yeah. Ooh, how do you pronounce your name? I think I've been pronouncing it wrong. Is it Abhishek? Okay, Abhishek. Has Faye been able to pronounce that correctly yet? A is pronounced as you. Abhishek. Yeah, I figured that much. I can only imagine how she tries to pronounce your name. That oddball. Okay. Actually, I finally got her to enable her commands. I showed her how to do her commands and stuff. So when her stream goes live again, I don't think she went live last night, so I didn't test it. But when she goes live again, that her Discord link thing should work for her commands. What is your native language? While I go ahead and get this up, I'm from India. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Should have all been part. Part 1. Oh, I know what I was wanting to do. That here. I wanted to move this. So it gets rid of that underscore. I'm going to put in this dotted line. I'm going to try and figure out a way to see if I can get it to be solid line instead. See here. Okay. I've never tried speaking Hindi before, but I have tried to speak other languages like years ago when I was in the military for 4 years. I had to learn, well, before we were going to, I had to learn how to speak basic Arabic. I've been to Kenya, so when we was there, we did training there for 2 weeks, and they were trying to teach us like some basic Swahili back then, but I don't remember none of it. It was just basically like greetings and stuff, so we could greet them in Swahili. And they, well, their units got a kick out of it. So then my wife's Vietnamese, and her mom tries to get me to say things like hi, hello, like hi mom, hi dad, like I love you, and her mom. I keep telling her no, but her mom keeps trying me to get me to say I miss you, I love you, mom. I'm like, no, I'm not saying that. I don't even tell my own mom I love her. Let's see. How many languages do you know? But I don't want to be, or nor do I want it that wide. Can I do a board width? Experiment with this real quick. That ain't doing it. Oh shit! The fuck? Why is that so wide? Or wait, why is this being as height? And what would be height? What if I did just a regular width that affect the board? Yes, yes. Oh, now English, Hindi, some words of French, mainly just greetings I used to be in French gaming guild. Ah, yeah. So my wife's still trying to learn English, but we've discovered for my wife, since I have hard hearing at times, that people to other people outside our marriage, it'll look like we're always constantly arguing, but my ears will just kind of suck. Like I have like I have tinnitus, so I have like ringing in them every once in a while, and then sometimes like I can't hear certain things. So she like when I talk to people, you gotta talk loud so I can actually be able to hear you. And so now, in order for me to teach my wife English, we have to talk very loud as if we're arguing with each other, and that's like the only way she can seem to like understand English better. But me trying to learn Vietnamese, oh my god, that shit is freaking hard. My brain struggles with it so damn much. I forgot to open up another document real quick, so I'm doing that. Ooh, let me. What happens when. That's what I thought. So. Let's see. Let me correct this. I was thinking that maybe the fifth auto like fit with the name itself, because I am like doing a complete replica of my actual physical resume on here. So like my phone number, I'm not putting my phone number out here for everybody to go prank call. Let's see. Didn't work. What am I thinking of that pushes it over? I thought it was justified content, but I guess Mr. Skull Legend. Hi, what's going on, man? How you been? Let's see. What happens if I'm I could have swore it was justified. Might have to look at center's at. Why isn't it pushing it to Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I did all this in like 4 hours yesterday, just doing all kinds of random shit. So now I'm just trying to start going through and updating it and fine tuning it here and there. I made the mistake because I wasn't paying attention yesterday, but I forgot to make me another branch on Git. So when I went to go push it out, I pushed it out to my master. So this is actually live on my site right now, and I'm just like, oh, so embarrassing. Let's see. Trying to. I don't want to have to do this. Don't want to. Could have swore there was a different way, but well, it's set up similar to my current one. Jesus. Try auto. Okay. See, I'm not liking that. I mean, I'm liking this. I'm just not liking the fact that I have to use margin to get it centered out like that. I guess I really have no choice but to do it that way. Okay. So it was just justified content that I was thinking about. Huh, whatever. See, I wanted to make a game a while back, like an app, where you have a word puzzle that you need to finish, just like like Jacob. 2 a.m. still rusty. Yeah, I hear you. I actually started late. My wife should be getting off work around 7 o'clock, and I dropped her off, so I'll have to go get her. So I'm just trying to do like a short stream to start filling some stuff out. She came back from vacation yesterday or midnight last night. Picked up her and her girlfriend because they wanted to have an extreme girls' night out for the entire weekend for like 4 or 5 days. So they both up and left my ass here and went to Puerto Rico without me. I'm just sitting here like, guess out and miss out on seeing both of them in their bikini. Choose the letters instead of stars. Ah. Tell you what though, I didn't miss out completely because my wife forgot that um and she was telling me stories. I was like, "Oh, show me some of the pictures of the place we went kayaking and stuff." So she pulls up her phone, unlocks it, and starts going through all the photos. And then she goes through one of their pictures. She has a picture of her girlfriend, and then her girlfriend's friend. All three of them in their bikinis. And she's like, swiping, like, no, 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 no. You gotta go back. I gotta see this. It was funny. To me, it was funny. Let's see. Why? What the fuck? Oh, because that's controlling. What happens if I do this? That was doing absolutely shit. Oh wait, I'm still. Look, I'm not even paying attention. I'm just fucking around and I'm finding out. God. I'm on the free version of IntelliJ because my monthly subscription ran out because I ain't got no more money to fit the monthly subscription bill until possibly, hopefully next month. Unless my wife goes, oh yeah, here you can use mine, which she's probably not gonna. So how can I get the shift over centered without? Well, on the paid version of IntelliJ, it should be able to. What this underrepresented mean? What do you mean? I don't think I fully comprehend what you're trying to ask me. I don't know. Shit. Hang tight real quick. I gotta make sure I turn up the volume of my phone now that she's back because sometimes I'll put my phone on silent and then she'll text me, hey, come pick me up. And I don't see it for like, 20 minutes. Sometimes I've done it longer. And she's had to call me like, hey, I need you to come get me. Pay attention. That's doing. OMG, I got this message from Twitch. What message did you get from Twitch, man? Why being affiliated for a while and they asked me, okay. Oh, that's cool. And there's questions about sex. Let me guess. While streaming, since you've been such an awesome nerd, how often do you have sex with the opposite? We're like, I'm a fucking nerd. I don't have sex at all. You consider yourself a member of an underrepresented country? What the hell kind of question is that? That's what I was asking about earlier. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Now that there's context behind it, that makes a lot more sense. Maybe I'm gonna have to do it. Out They're gonna do it, ain't it? I'm all in a fucking column. God damn it. If I was to go here, put Lex Pro. Oh, this is you identify as having one or more of the following disabilities. Select all that apply. It feels like Apple uh, applying. I mean, technically, when you accept the affiliate contract, it is kind of like you apply for like a job and shit. So, in a sense, it's probably just like a random survey to all their affiliate employee contractors. If that makes any sense. Cognitive. Uh, Give me some more context. What's the actual question? Oh shit. I googled it. Cognition refers to the mental action of process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience. That's almost. That's for the entire thing, though, not the actual. I have a question for you. Have you ever served on active duty military? Yeah, it sounds like they're just updating their not their terms of service, but it's almost as if they're updating their man. What the fuck do they call that? A voluntary self-identification of ethnicity, race, and gender. Sounds like one of those forms. But yeah, it does sound like a job application. Oof. This is bugging me because there's no way in hell this is the same. Like, come on. Unless I try. Hello. Oh, you talking about from? Are you talking about from when I went on the years and followed you? Fuck me. Even then, it's going to. By the way, do you know 7 Days to Die? Sounds familiar. That's a video game, ain't it? Or is it a movie? But yeah, I'm familiar with the name, but I don't know much. I don't know, well, not know much about it. I don't know a damn thing about it. I just know 7 Days to Die. That's it. Take a bite out of this bad boy. What the hell? Kind of Reese cup gets halfway made just about. Nothing stuck on the plastic, but it's missing like all the chocolate siding. The fuck? It's like they forgot. Huh. Nah. I'll I'm still gonna eat it. I mean, I love my Reese's. Let's try. Damn. All right. I'm good with that. How's that gonna look on here? Motherfuck. I was worried about that when I come. On advertised Pops commercial. No way I'm gonna have a bunch of people hit me up. God damn it, of course it's gonna change it. Shit. Alright, let me change this. I don't think I've done any commands for I haven't done any commands for socials. I don't think. But that's only because all my links are right here. They're about. Oh, I know, man. Oh. Yeah, it really depends on it really depends on what size browser and stuff you're looking at it on too. I hit the screenshot button again. Yeah, so like even like on mobiles, this photo is like, whew. That's just a temporary picture. I'm actually planning on updating that with a better looking photo. I just stuck that on there for now since I'm also using this website to put on resumes and stuff too. Let's see here. This right here is the digital resume. Right here. Mhm. What was that? Account age? 8 years, 11 months, 16 days, 21 hours ago. But our first stream was October 17 last year. Yeah, I haven't even played around with a lot of those commands because I'm like not even. So I set up. I disabled a lot of the commands since I'm not affiliate yet. Probably because I'm not affiliate. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I think you can only get the channel points though once you become affiliate. Because like for example, Faye Pacino, she just became affiliate and now she has access to channel points. I don't want that to have a. This one was. Knock yourself out. Let's see here. Oh, guys. So it looks like. All right. So here's what's gonna happen. Looks like my wife just got off early for work, so she's telling me to come get her. Why is there like 100 usernames? Holy shit. So apparently there's been a lot of bots lately. So like even though it shows I only have like 4 viewers, and in the chat list, since a lot of those are bots, they're not gonna be counted towards the viewers. I kind of wish they did. But looks like my wife's ready for me to come pick her up, so I'm gonna have to cut this stream really short. I figured it'd be about an hour. Um, I'm gonna leave everything up when I get home. If she doesn't care if I get back on stream, I'll get back on stream. But usually, since she works so late, I usually spend my nights with her. Unless she's gonna be on her phone all night talking, then I'll come back up and jump on stream for a little bit. So, for Skull Legend, as well as Abhishek, thank you guys for tuning in and hanging out with me in the chat. And I shall catch everybody later. Pieces, guys. If I don't see you guys tonight, I'll be back on tomorrow.